5 tips how to change your life in 90 days. Great question. Here are 5 tips to help you change your life in 90 days. Set clear goals. Start by defining what you want to achieve in the next 90 days. Break down your goals into smaller, actionable steps. This will make them seem less daunting and easier to accomplish. Create a vision board. Visualize your goals by creating a vision board. This can be a physical or digital collage of images, quotes, and affirmations that represent your desired outcomes. This will help you stay motivated and focused on your goals. Develop a daily routine. Create a daily routine that supports your goals. This could include things like waking up earlier, exercising regularly, eating healthy foods, and meditating. A consistent routine will help you stay on track and make progress towards your goals. Find an accountability partner. Find someone who will support and encourage you on your journey. This could be a friend, family member, or mentor. Sharing your goals with someone else can help you stay accountable and motivated. Celebrate your wins. Don't forget to celebrate your successes along the way. This will help you stay positive and motivated. Remember, change takes time and effort. Be patient with yourself and don't give up on your goals. With consistent effort and dedication, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. Here are some additional resources that you may find helpful. How to change your life in 90 days. 5 easy to do tips to actually change your life in 90 days. Invalid URL removed. How to change your life in 90 days. YouTube invalid URL removed. I hope this helps.